I'm Vishakha, and you're watching the Mojo Squad. The war in the Middle East isn't just being fought with missiles, drones, and tanks. There is another battle happening silently in the airwaves. One of the sailors can't see but can definitely feel. It's called GPS jamming, and it's turning one of the world's busiest shipping routes into a dangerous guessing game. Right now, maritime analysts monitoring the Strait of Hormuz, the critical gateway for global oil shipments, are seeing something bizarre on their tracking screens. Instead of ships moving normally through the water, hundreds of vessels appear clustered together in strange, perfect circles on digital maps. Some even seem to be sailing on land. But these ships aren't actually there. Their GPS signals are being deliberately disrupted, making their true positions invisible. Michelle Weiss Bachmann, a senior maritime intelligence analyst at maritime AI company Windward, says she spotted dozens of these strange clusters while monitoring ship traffic near Iran, the UAE, and Qatar. Each icon on the map represents a real vessel, but the coordinates being transmitted are wrong. This is the result of electronic warfare, where powerful signals overwhelm or confuse GPS receivers. When that happens, ships broadcast incorrect location through the Automatic Identification System (AIS), the system vessels rely on to avoid collisions. And that's where the real danger begins. Imagine a 300-meter oil tanker carrying hundreds of thousands of tons of crude oil. These massive ships take kilometers to slow down or change direction. If their navigation systems suddenly show nearby ships in the wrong place, the risk of collision raises dramatically, especially at night or during poor weather. Cybersecurity expert Alan Woodward explains the real problem. It's not just knowing where you are, it's not knowing where everyone else is. Electronic interference like this has been seen before. During the war in Ukraine, GPS disruptions became common. Aircraft in parts of Europe have also experienced similar problems. But analysts say the current disruption in the Persian Gulf is far more intense than previous incidents. While no country has officially taken responsibility, military analysts suspect Iran may be behind some of the interference, especially amid rising tensions at the region. At the same time, US forces are also believed to be using jamming technology to defend their bases and ships from drones and guided weapons. That means the waters around the Strait of Hormuz have become an invisible battlefield of signals and counter-signals. And for the hundreds of commercial ships carrying oil, gas, and global trade through this narrow passage every day, the result is simple. Navigation systems they depend on are suddenly becoming unreliable. In modern warfare, sometimes the most dangerous weapon isn't a missile, it's a signal you can't see at all. For more explainers on the stories shaping our world, follow the Mojo Squad. I am Vishakha. Thanks for watching.